Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Guruji, during pregnancy, it is very important. During pregnancy, is it okay to do 3 rounds of Srividya Sadhana, shielding and Dasmavidya for all 9 months? You see that? Many times I tell to students, whenever you are going through pregnancy period, don't do too much sadhana. Reduce the sadhana. Don't do too much mantra chanting. Reduce the mantra chanting. Because you are holding within you a small baby. And that baby has a very innocent energy that cannot absorb all the spiritual heat you create through meditation. Is it clear? But many people fight. I have a positive vibration, my baby will be good, healthy, they think. But the spiritual heat that create, from one cell, complete womb will be coming. From womb, that complete body parts will be done. So even how is the nervous system? Very delicate. How is the cell? Very delicate. When you create a spiritual heat, it is not good for baby. So I suggest all my students, just to Srividya level 1 of only 1 round to energize, heal, balance and bless yourself and connect yourself. But people don't understand. You see that? I want to do more means my baby can have a more growth. My baby can, grow better. No. I have seen some student, when they started doing too much sadhana, they got abortion, more spiritual heat, more cleansing, apana vayu active. Apana vayu, what it does? And this portion is apana vayu. Imbalance is there. Spirituality is going up, your energy is going up. In pregnancy, what is happening? Energy is coming down, nourishing your body. Please understand the inner dynamics that is taking place. And don't hurt yourself. So I suggest all students who are undergoing pregnancy, do only 1 round. Don't do too much. Okay? Shakti mantras are very powerful. And then 10 Mahavidya mantras. How is the Vajra Vairochini? Om Hum Vajra Vairochiniye Namaha. I am asking her, the thunderbolt should, come and burn my karmas. That is a Vajra Vairochini. And is it needed for when you have a small baby, still it is not grown up with all the things? No, it's not needed. So, and what is happening? When you are in a pregnancy, so many changes are happening in your body. Endocrine glands changes is taking place, cleansing is taking place, nutritional changing, everything is taken care. So don't hurt yourself, just do 1 round of Srividya level 1. Don't do 10 Mahavidya Sadhana. Please don't do it. Don't hurt yourself. And why I ask you to do only 1 round? Because to bring the balance in your chakra, to bring the balance in your glands, to bring the good health for yourself. And don't chant too many mantras during a pregnancy. Is it clear? So I suggest who are going through pregnancy, 1 round of Srividya level 1 is more than sufficient. And if you are receiving too much energy, too much heat, then not regularly also. Take alternative day and do this Srividya Sadhana. Today I do too much heat, tomorrow I don't do. Again, day after tomorrow. So please take care of yourself. Your baby's health is very important, your health is very important, and the energy is coming down during the pregnancy. Spiritual path is going up. Don't hurt and create a problem for yourself. Shivoham, Shivoham, Shivoham.